Hello! Today we're showing you how to update products in Shopify using a spreadsheet with SKUs. There's no need to export any data from your store, and you can use any file where the first column has an identifier such as SKU, product ID, or handle. We'll take you through the process of quickly and safely updating your products with an option to undo your changes, which ensures that all variants will be included. You're looking at a demo spreadsheet. You can see there's 3 columns. The first one has the SKU specified, the second has physical quantity, and then we have the price. Once your spreadsheet is prepped and ready to go, you can download it to your computer, and you'll return to the Ablestar Bulk Editor so that you can click to edit with the spreadsheet. And once you have the spreadsheet downloaded to your computer, you can return to the Bulk Editor to edit with the spreadsheet. Drag and drop or click here to upload. And then you're going to give it a few minutes for processing, depending on how much data your spreadsheet has. And once the mapping preview appears here, you'll see that there's columns on the top of the preview. And if you scroll down, you'll see the data that you uploaded. And each column, the system recognized all 3 columns that I uploaded. The first one was the SKU. The second one I had as physical quantity, but it had already mapped it to the East Coast warehouse because it remembered my choice from previously. And it recognized price as the third column. If you need to ignore any column, you can click on the red X. And notice that one of the rows here is highlighted red, which means the SKU was not found on your Shopify store. And we can show you here in a second how to download that info so that you can fix it. Once all your data is confirmed, you're going to scroll up to the top and you're going to click to run edit. And the app is processing. You can actually leave this screen if you need to, walk away while it's processing, and it'll process in the background. But this one was a small spreadsheet, so it's already complete. You can see all the red values are the old values and the black values are the new ones that you specified. If you find any mistakes in the data, you can actually click to undo, and it'll revert all the changes you just made. And recall the red row that we talked about where the SKU was not existent. You can actually see here there's an unmatched rows, and it gives you a little help tip that you can download the CSV for that so that you can see which product it's talking about. And there's also a partial product download to see which items were just partially uploaded, which means they were missing a variant. And that's it. That's how you can quickly update your Shopify product data with a spreadsheet based on SKUs. There's actually a lot of other things you can do with spreadsheets, including skipping unchanged rows so that you can increase your upload speeds. And you can also schedule edits and run edits from remote URLs. If you want to try any of these procedures and more, get started for free with our app on the Shopify App Store. Thank you.